Now to Capitec, which was established in 2002. So this is a young bank, relatively speaking. It has over 6 million retail customers.
You know, they're growing so fast, they probably have over 7 million by now, because they are very attractive both to mid-market as well as, in fact, people who just don't like the big four, big five banks and are looking for something fresh.
Market cap 79 billion rand, price earnings ratio of 22.7 and a dividend yield here of 1.6%. Firstly, give me a sense of how you have played Capitec from an investment perspective.
I'd have to say, unfortunately, I woke up to this one too late.
At least you're honest.
The African Bank sort of tarnished it a little bit, and was it the same as African Bank? And it's apparent now that it was not nearly the same. This is the most successful new entrant into South African banking in the last 10 years. It's an unbelievable success story. Huge market cap. They over 8 million customers today. 8 million.
We need to update those numbers. You see, it's just accumulating so quickly.
Their last set of interims, that was 7.9, and they had grown that by over 600,000 in those 6 months to August. They released their interims within 30 days of the interim date, which is incredible. Just shows how well run this bank is.
Share price graph.
So none of the legacy issues. So they built the bank using a off-the-shelf package from Global One, which was just great, and the timing was excellent. So they've got a lower cost of capital, great internal culture. Michiel Leroux and the current CEO, Gerrie Fourie now, but in between there was Rian
So my question to you, is this ever going to get cheap enough for you guys to get into?
PSG's got a big control stake, and the stock price almost never goes down.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Well, is there an entry point, or have you got to buy it at current levels?
You've got to buy it on the dips. I think the time to buy it was maybe a few months ago when there was a bit of a dip. It's recovered strongly.
On the Nenegate issue.
No, post that.
Post that.
It is the most expensive bank in the world.
Yeah.
By that rating, no bank in the world has got a 24 PE.
Yeah, well, that's never deterred you before. I mean, you buy Tesla, it's got a PE of infinity. Don't throw that as an argument into the discussion. You should be steeping yourself in this stock.
Yeah.
Hot or not?
At this valuation, it's just too high. Buy on the dip, so at this valuation, not.
Not hot. Paul. Come on.
No, I think it is hot, because the fact is it's growing, it's doing all the right things, and I like the operational environment and the technology story and so on and so forth. So happy to call it hot. Would one buy it at this point? Is it like so smoking hot that you must have it in your portfolio? I don't know. We don't have enough money.
You can't go and qualify the hot. You said hot. That's it. Understand the rules of the game.
Hot to trot. There you go.